Jagwestong Tourism at Tumpen Kabi People's Whole Along World Tourism Day kata London. Dokmoka Thonobi College along Ingben Crate Shock Annual Karbi Students Social Freshers Meet Kipaman. Nilip Constituency ke Parluang Kam Chokiola along Kipang Terasai Kiding. Kardom News Time along Penhili Villarban Kropi Non Biotang Tonpen Arjek Tha Karbi People Soltar along Swalong Chitini Paikora Choksiarni Jagwestong Tourism at Tumpen World Tourism Day kata London Biota Katnu Saprang Kepen Biota Nangpali. World Tourism Day Jagwestong Pen Katalon Pon Amailong Jagwestong Tourism Amaipu Agustin Timung Pensi Mai Chari Ponlo Lawang So Amailong Alhiaman Pen Karbianglong Tonamas Council MEC Richard Toby Chetongdun Karbi Nimso Kirung Karbi Traditional Fashion Show La Pen Hirjir Ki Hirhehui Tapado Pon Alhiaman Pen Chetongdun MEC Topi Pen Maialong Lamthi Ke Chai Pon Ki Tourism Tapir The Along Akinang Sot Mesen Ki Jui Kilang Adim Jong Si Do Pudote Karbianglong Along Rialong Ta Aka Helopen Nakilang Japan Nakiju Japan Wangpo Lasi Iritum Karbianglong Long Sutami Tourism upon RD Pinangji Lapen Jasemet Pen Jagwestong Tourism atum upon RD Pinangji Pusi Mayalong Alang Lipen Kejai Pon Pado Ingden Crate Chok Annual Karbi Students Social Freshers Meet Tokmoka Thonobi College along Chitini Paingkora Chok Siarni Kedeng Lapen Karcho Biota Katnu Sasai Hemalong Biota Nangli Karbi Students Coordination Committee Tumpen Patir Pipon Sia Kimi Karbi Lochar Lari Soeja Tumapan Kedeng Lapen Karcho Sai Padopon Labang Swang Bong Dokmoka Thongnokbe College Dokmoka Higher Secondary School Denarong Higher Secondary School Lapen Parokha Higher Secondary School Atum Chilang Petsi Karbi Freshers Social Meet Kedeng Pado Akimi Lochar Lari Soeja Tumapan Kedeng Lapen Karcho Amailong Sarbinong Turan Pen Kechari Pon Amailong Juba Kumar B Pensi Mike Phalam The Lapen Aluhi Kipachinia Por Enlo Mailong Alhiaman Penabarim Karbianglong Tonamas Council Yembarim Bidasing Rongpi Abarim Mahamaya Constituency VDC Chairman Long Sing Taubi Thongnobi College along Abarim Chunbang Akash Rongpi Deben Be Abarim Dun Maipu Jising Ronghang Francis Hanse Sim Tok Bilapen Thongnobia College along Thanbang Babutiranatum Chetongdun Akimi Karbi Lochar Lari Soejang Tumpen Kachipachini Apadoponsi Apitu Karbi Cultural Traditional Dance Tame Mesenben Paklangpon Aluhiaman Pen Kachitongdun Abarim EM Rongpi Pen Lochar Lehin Koson Sike Paprangdun Thekjima Lahai Puthak Than Paritekang Lapen Kechar Lili Avi Tenon Malom Ke Munit Ehokabang Avi Arta Kijum Pen Penan Kidu Pisok En Ke Chokchi Aprangsi Kechar Lehin Chipadu Nangji Anparta Raki Kecho Hormu Pajum Nangji Anlote Karbi Rui Soejang Tum Paprangdun Thekpopusi EM Barim Pen Lamthe Jaitekang BJP Assam Pradesh Maipu Chiting Kora Chok Siarni Kangsam Karbianglong Nangpali Alang li Lok Sabha Kilik Phansi Karbianglong Kewang Pasi Pachini
Lok Sabha Kilik Arni Kete Boklang Dampen BJP Assam Pradesh Amaipu Ranjit Kumar Das Lapen Ari Sangho Atum Chiting Kora Chok Siarni Kangsam Apor Dipurong Sepi Nangpale Alang li Ari Dengpen MP Kilik Aphantu Panongsi Dipu Town Mondol Keparlo Klembang Atum Aphan Parista Pramuk Alo Ronpon CM Tuliram Long Hang Pen Chenglok Penan EM Lapen MEC Atum Lokeron Asayalong Chetongdun
Namalam Sopor Pan Biota Mo Intipodiksina J&J Mandu has come to twist your taste with ethnic traditional dishes, noodles, rice, main course, beverages, soups and many more. A restaurant that makes you feel alive and energized. You can be out there enjoying the things you love. Parties like wedding parties and birthday parties are also taken up. On any occasion, the order must be given at earliest time. For more queries, please contact 9435 925 116. J&J Amandu, Difu Karbianglong Birla, near Bharat Petrol Pump. A family restaurant, a part of your family. Please step in Ishan Motors. A showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008. Come one, come all. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Difu Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar, India. Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Trail, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hills Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesiri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, Thelua Kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihnamo Pipotat Biotalong Bangtulo. Bogotan LEC Nilip MEC constituency ke Pardang Kang Chitini Painkora Popen Nipai Chok Arnian. Ninia Baha Chokiola Hawaralong Okeboha Group 20 CRPF Atumpen Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Asai ke Dengam Biota Chitinkora Nerkep Arni. Card News along Biota Napoli. Group 20 CRPF Commanding Officer Kapil Dev Penjaponsi Chokiola Block Primary Health Center along Kipangchar Asai Made Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Asai Kibadopon Lapen Halapu Principal Dr. Ranjit Ronghang Lokithan a School Chokiola Higher Secondary School Athengno alongta Kadukawe Lochar Ao Sumaratum Karko Karphek Asai Made Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Asai Kipaman Ponabirta Riptun Long Jongthung lun setimong arata tumpen chipatir pi ponsi chitini pha inkora choksi arni ala por phai kepa por malompen Karbiang Long Chanamas Council MEC lun singteron lapen akimi Mahamaya Constituency VDC Chairman Harsi Ingling atophan Karbiaron pen karchopon patu Karcho Amailong Jongthung Local Committee Amai Phu Mongol Singh Timung pen kichuphem phupon Amailong DYM dun mai phu jiten timung pen simai ki phalam the jai pon lo Labang so Amailong alui sarpo aman pen Karbiang Long Chanamas Council MEC lun singteron manpeng alui aman pen VDC Chairman Harsing Ingling Samilang so block Mondola Chunbang Babuti so penan parta District ST Morcha Amai Phu Rupmo topi pen danglop ongdunga bang phu bang phetum ta chetong dun Mai long lun si timung arong asar Burasing timung pen lam thike jai pon ke Mahamaya Constituency araratum Ningka che thela pen ninga chingsam Karbiang Long Chanamas Council MEC ah chimandet pen hawaralong towar pen danglok ason ka chithura sai rat pharman aphan ke 1p la pen non akimi VDC Chairman Harsing Ingling aphan Chairman Arpu ke pekpon aputhak ningkang sampen deng salang litum aphan Karbiaron pen karchu padu Lapenan parta alang litum banghini akailong rat pharman iklem ke dampi ke messenger phan hirjume hangpi pon lopusi mailong jai Akimi VDC Chairman aphan karcho pothak ningkarong alam the pen raratum aphan kachuro pon padu Birta manggila mas kang tan paniglo domi thami kurang tu